Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I do make different videos here on YouTube such as beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. Today I will be filming a review on the Dream Urban Cover foundation by Maybelline. It did just come out. I've tried it for a couple of days now and I can definitely say if I like it or not. So I did create this look with this foundation. So if you're interested in what my opinion is on this foundation, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. Went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and sorry about my hair, I'm trying to fix it. But today we have here the Dream Urban Cover. That's what it looks like, and this is the new Maybelline foundation. It does say that it is a full coverage protective makeup with sunscreen of SPF 50. Wow, this is great. If you live in Arizona, it's freaking hot outside, and literally, where's my straw? I just noticed. I have my cup and I was like looking at it, and then I was like, there's something missing, and my straw is missing. Like, water doesn't taste the same without a straw. But whatever, anyways. Sorry for my lip smacking. That's so freaking ugly. Anyways, cringe. Okay, so this is an antioxidant enriched pollution protection. Oh, it also has that, I guess. That's really good. Formulated with antioxidants to help protect skin from environmental aggressors. So I guess this is supposed to be really good for your skin. It has sunscreen, which you always want to wear sunscreen, not just in your makeup but in your moisturizers, because it's, you know, you just want to do that. You don't want to get wrinkles or skin cancer. Unfortunately, there are so many different things and reasons for why you should be using sunscreen and not just on your makeup. But this has a really high SPF, so I would say this would be good for an everyday use. I mean, I'm not a professional, but just saying, for me it would. And I did get the color 128 Warm Nude. I am a little bit more tan and yellow, so it was kind of hard for me to find a color. I believe this supposed to be like, this color looked the most yellow to me, so that's why I got it, and it seemed like it matched my shade. So it says regularly use a sunscreen with a broad spectrum of 15 or more. So this is it looks like a pretty good bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my face with some primer. I did go ahead and use this also a couple times already. I just wanted to use it on camera this time and give it a more full coverage. I kind of used it just on my face, no primer, no nothing, and it did kind of start sliding off. And I also didn't set it, so it's not really a fair full coverage foundation. You know, I can't just put it on my face and expect it to work great if I'm not setting it or adding any primers. So this, I would say, I bought it as an everyday foundation. It's not something super crazy heavy, and it says it's good for your face. So let's try it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my porefessional primer on my side of the face. And just, I like to use this primer because I feel like it's really smooth on my face as well. And it'll help the foundation stay on a little bit better. I did also, like I mentioned, do my eyebrows side of camera, and as you can see, I do have a lot of redness on my face, and I do have some scars and some little acne spots, which I hate, by the way. But whatever, I'm moving on. I guess I'm just gonna have to drink this like freaking coffee, which is I hate drinking water without a straw. Fun fact. Okay, so half of my face I'm going to go ahead and apply with a beauty blender. Okay, it's not this brightest thing to do, but I'm just too lazy to get up. And excuse my hair, it's kind of, you know, messy. And there's a monsoon outside, so if the camera falls over, just beware. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my hand first. It is very liquidy, as you can see. Kind of liquidy. It's like in the middle of liquidy and a little thick. So I'm gonna do half my face. Just got it on there. It looks like a little darker on my side of the face. Like I said, I did already use this, but I didn't pay like too much attention to the color. I didn't really go in detail with this foundation. So let's see. It covered my my scarring pretty good, actually. It actually did a great job in covering that. So foundation, no foundation. You can see all the hideousness on my face. It is a little bit kind of dark, but actually it's pretty good shade for me. I would say this would be probably my best shade, or a mixture of this one and a little lighter one. But so far I like it with the beauty blender. I feel like for my preference, this would be good for an everyday look. I would definitely use this more on a weekday basis, like day-to-day basis, not really a weekend. I like very full coverage on the weekend. Like I just like my face to look really good on the weekend and stay not slide. And like just look more, it's pretty glowy, as you can see. It looks very natural on your skin, kind of like moisturizer, but like your skin is perfect, which my skin is not perfect at all. So it looks pretty good. I really like it. Looks like it's your own skin. And also I did hear that this was compared to the IT Cosmetics CC cream. I've never used the CC cream from IT Cosmetics, but the packaging is pretty similar. So now I'm going to go ahead and use another drop. I did put less on mine. I did put less this time, but I'll build it up. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Techniques brush. And I'm going to add a little more. With the brush, I kind of like to just add little circles around my face. Cool. And dot it everywhere. Most of the time I do like to use a beauty blender because I don't like streaky makeup, and I feel like maybe it's my brush that leaves the streaks, but some makeup is very streaky. And this makeup so far, it's actually very nice with the brush. I do feel like it's more full coverage with the brush. Definitely more full coverage. Yep, more full coverage for sure. Yeah. It's not streaky either. So this is beauty blender side. I do feel like the beauty blender side looks more of a BB CC cream, and the brush side looks a little bit more like foundation, like just more matte and stuff, just more matte on your face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer with Beauty Blender for the rest of my face using the Maybelline Instant Rewind and the color Neutralizer. I really like this concealer, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my face. Wow, it's blending really nicely with this concealer also. Perfect. Okay, so I went ahead and put some concealer. My face does look a little bit brighter. It doesn't look as dark anymore, the foundation. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it with a baking powder as well to see how that goes, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so overall, I do think that this foundation is a really good foundation for like a really good everyday foundation. With the SPF and everything, I think that it would be great, like whenever you're gonna be out on the sun, you don't really care about super full coverage makeup too much. I mean, this is actually really full coverage. It covered a lot of my redness and my acne and stuff like that, so I really like that. It also protects your face against pollution, antioxidant enriched. That's really good for your skin. I would actually highly recommend this foundation. One other thing, I do want to test Flash with the foundation, so let's see how it looks with Flash. Okay, there is no flashback. Wow, this is actually, wow, this is really good. Let's see, flashback. That's great. And this foundation actually retails for, it's $10.98 at Walmart, literally $10.98. And this actually feels like it lasts a long time. I like the applicator as well. I like a lot of plasticky tubes because I'm really clumsy and I drop everything. So this is great. This could also be awesome if you like to wear makeup to the gym and you're not really looking for a super heavy foundation and you just want this alone. This is also great for that. I have used this foundation without a full face, and it doesn't give you the long-lasting results as when you go ahead and set it with the powder and everything else. And with the baking powder and a primer, it doesn't last the same as when you go ahead and just apply it really quick, you know, just by itself. So I do feel like if you are looking to just wear this, like let's say to the gym, you just want it to last you like 2 hours, 3 hours, you know, 4 hours max, this is definitely the way to go. It's really good, full coverage, doesn't really slide off. It doesn't feel heavy on your face either. Doesn't feel sticky. It literally just feels like if you applied, not even, it doesn't feel like you have foundation. It feels like you just applied a moisturizer on your face, and I really like that. This, I can definitely say that's going to be my everyday foundation. And I think it's one of my favorite drugstore foundations that I have ever tried. It's definitely one of the best ones I've ever tried. And I also like the color as well. It does not oxidize on. Okay, let me tell you something. If you apply this by itself, then yes, it does have a little hint of oranginess in there. But once you apply your concealer or your face cream, your powder is really nicely set and it looks really good. If you do leave it alone though, it does look a little bit orangey, I'm not gonna lie to you. And with a beauty blender or a brush, I would definitely say that if you want a more full coverage look, I would say go ahead and go with the brush. And for the beauty blender, it's more of like a glowy look. So it's totally up to what look you're going for. I think I'm going to be applying this with my beauty blender because that just works best for me and I like how it looks like that. So definitely going to apply my beauty blender with Jeffree Star right here with Morphe. And what else? Let's see how it wears. So far I don't see any, it doesn't feel dry either. And I don't see any patchiness. I don't see anything like really crazy about it that I don't like. I really think that the only thing is that on my nose I do have a little bit of a hard time kind of blending it, but I feel like it's because I am sunburned on my nose and I feel like it's kind of wanting to peel, so it doesn't really want to seep into my skin. But besides that, it looks great. I really like it. I highly recommend this foundation. It's really nice, and I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try because it's great. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this foundation or if you try it out, go ahead and let me know what you think of it. I am the color Rattan in Estee Lauder, if that's how you pronounce it. I don't freaking know. But I don't know if that helps you at all. I do have a yellow undertone and my color is 128. So if you like it, don't like it, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Or if you have any questions about this foundation, that would be great. This foundation also did not break me out because I have been using it for the past couple of days. Like I said, it didn't break me out and I have very sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, it's also super good for you. It doesn't smell like sunscreen. Sorry, I almost forgot the smell. It just smells like moisturizer, like I don't even know how to explain it, but I really like it. It doesn't have a smell that really bothers me, and I'm actually very bothered by smell. So yeah, this is actually really good. If you have any questions, like I said, go ahead and let me know down below. My dogs won't stop barking, so I'm sorry about that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you liked my video, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, to hear more videos, to watch more, to be notified when I upload again. Thank you guys so much, and comment down below if you have any questions. Bye bye.